Hello, everyone. My name is Sneer Rozenfeld, and I'm the CEO of Cyber 2.0. I'm going to speaking with you today about insider threats and exactly what's going on and new lines and methods of attacks that hackers are using today to penetrate organization. Let's explore that a bit more. Albert Einstein used to say, if you keep doing the same things, you will always get the same results. And I'm going to show you why you have to embrace new forms of technology to protect your critical assets. There are new tools for attacks, new way to think, protect critical assets. We need to do something differently and we need to think differently because I'm going to show you a new form of attack that we recently seen that is bypassing everything and it works on the main thing of the victims. It's working on their need for special things for interview for jobs, and we'll speak about how hackers are getting way over creative. Cyber 2.0 knows how to prevent attacks. Cyber 2.0 uses the chaos engine, and it enables us to protect IT, OT, and IoT. And of course, I will show you how we are using the zero trust mechanism to protect your organization. So there's a new line of attacks. It's called fake job offers or interviews. Now let's explore that. Target of the hackers are job seekers, people who are searching for jobs. And they will send them a mail and send them, hey, we want to interview you for this job position. We found you through LinkedIn. We see that you are very adequate, you are very impressive, and we want to interview you for this job. Now, this job for the victim will be the job of his life. And they send him a link. And they get online and they start interviewing the person. And during the interview, the victim download and run malicious JavaScript project. It enables them that they install a malicious software called Beavertail. The Beavertail installs a Python-based backdoor that enables the hackers to penetrate everything within the computer. Oh, the interview will go smoothly. It will be very interesting. You will tell about yourself. You'll be very excited. And everybody will be so happy with you and what you think about. And then they will tell you, okay, we'll get back to you. Thank you very much. Of course, at the end, the victim will get a mail saying, we chose to go on with someone else. Thank you for applying. But now you have the invisible ferret installed within your computer, and the hacker have a leg into your computer, and through it, it can penetrate an organization. It can do a lot of things. That is one of the things. One more interesting thing is I saw, well, contiguous interview. You will get a mail. You will get a mail saying, my business partner, Justin, and I came across your LinkedIn profile and thought you were a perfect fit for our interview. We're going to do a white paper. We're going to interview you to our newspaper, to our white paper, to our program, to our podcast. And your opinion is so interesting. And we found you as a leader. And they will give you a lot of things. They will say you will interview cybersecurity leaders for a white paper, the biggest challenge facing cybersecurity leaders today. And everybody wants to get their opinion heard, and everybody will be happy to tell you, wow, yeah, finally somebody saw and understand that I am the specialist. So, finally somebody acknowledges me as a leader. And people will fall for that, and people are falling for that. They will do the fake interview, and through that, they will get a malicious software and a backdoor installed. How do we address that? We understand that we cannot control the human factor. People will make mistakes. People are naive, and hackers are being more creative by the day. So what will happen basically, if you install Cyber 2.0, our unique reverse tracking patent will enable us to stop it. What do? Every process that comes up is being recorded. Every library file, every DLL file, every exe, every payload that downs, we record it. Now, we are not just recording it, we are recording the different aspects of every process to speak with the other aspect. And we will be able to tell you in zero time, listen, that link is unapproved. You are getting a link to a video conference from a website that is not approved, or you were just downloaded a malicious software and it's starting to spread through the network. We will block it from the moment it sets within the computer. We will block it and alert you through the interview. You will get an alert saying, man, you shouldn't be doing it. And this gives us the edge, meaning people will make mistakes, but we will be able to stop it in zero time. Even if I don't recognize, if I don't detect the malicious software, the payload that downloaded, if it's not approved to use if it's not approved to use network resources, I will block it at the moment it downloads. I will stop it from going back to the net to the internet. I will stop the hacker from connecting or using it to penetrate your organization. I will stop it, and I will keep the company safe. And this is the main idea, because if you keep doing the same things, you will always get the same results. Hackers are getting creative by the moment. They're doing a lot of interesting things, and they don't stop nowhere. They will go personally, they will go to job seekers, they will go and pay us and say we are leaders eventually, just to get to our computer, just to steal our information. If you keep doing the same things, you will always get the same results. You already know what the results are. So change it. Do something different. Make it harder for the hackers to penetrate your organization. Install Cyber 2.0. If you enjoy it, thank you very much. We'll be in touch. Click that bell, and I'll see you in the next video.